Okay, so I'm basically struggling a lot with trying, like, with what? My mental health, with trying to, like, declutter and getting shit together. So I'm gonna be using my phone to record and try to use it like a buddy doubling kind of shit. So I'm gonna be cleaning my fridge, which I've been putting off for fucking ages. 27th of October. That's so good. 2nd of August. So yeah. Today it's like fucking 15th or something. So fucking loads of milk that I should have drunk. I've got this like really nice neighbor who's a milkman, and he leaves me like up 2 bottles a day or so. Problem is, when I get like really depressed, that's still good. So yeah, when I get really depressed, I tend not to eat, or like eat, or I do eat, but it's just junk. So I don't use whatever shit is in the fridge, unfortunately, and then ends up like now, or most of it is just moldy or like unusable. I can still use this banana, I think. I'm just gonna make some pancakes with them. Yeah. Then I'm gonna post this shit online, even though it's fucking cringy and I feel like I wanna die, like, just from thinking about it. Yay. So good. Okay, so I guess that's it for now, because the fridge started reminding me that it's not cold enough. Thank you for watching.